How to join Hawkesbury Library Service. First, go to Hawkesbury Library's online catalogue at aurora.hawkesbury.nsw.gov.au/library. Click Join at the top of the page. Read through the conditions of membership and to continue, tick the box that says I accept these terms and conditions. Click Next. Fill in your personal details, selecting from any drop-down menu. Enter your date of birth using the roll screen. You can enter an alias, which is an optional alternative for quickly logging into your account. Check that your chosen alias isn't already in use by clicking on the green tick. You need to choose a 4-digit PIN. This needs to be a number that you will remember. Click Next. Now you need to fill in your contact details. Your street address, the suburb in which you live, your postcode, and any phone numbers you may have. Enter your email address and confirm your email address by retyping. Click Next. Some other details are required. You need to select which library you would like to collect your reserves, and if you wish to receive emails about library events and news. Tick this box if you'd like your loan dockets emailed instead of printed. Click Finish. Once you've completed the form, bring ID with your name and address into either Hawkesbury Central Library or Richmond Branch Library so a staff member can complete your membership. Thank you. For further assistance, please call library staff on 4560 4460.